What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to learn something really cool. This is a series for Heartland POS system. So this is a POS system, point of sale system, that can be run at restaurants, in retail stores, and all kind of different setups and locations. And it's really neat, actually. A request came across to build a Power BI dashboard, and I was like, okay, let's look at the API. Have a really good API, and they have a really cool platform. So we'll be going over all the API endpoints to give you a little deeper dive into what's available, and it might spur your development. So let's get to it. Jumping right in, we can see the API Swagger documents. This is really good that Heartland has decided to make this available, because not all API developers have great Swagger documentation, and it makes it a pain to import into Postman or whatever your API software is, right? So you'll open this up, and we can see this is the entire definition for the API. So from there, you can import this into Postman, and the way to do that is you press import here, and then you paste that Swagger document URL into Postman, and this will bring it into this nice, neat file structure. So you'll see everything is here, and in the subsequent videos in this series, we'll go through sort of how to interact with the API and what each of the endpoints do. So let's go. So now we have our paid in, paid out types. I really want to compliment Heartland POS here. I mean, they've made the structure of the settings mimic the structure of the API, and this is like one of the first times I've seen this. This is really cool. So we have paid in, paid out types, right? Same thing as on the front end, and then we have a GET request for the same thing. And then if we make our API call, we'll see I've already made the API call, but it returns an array of information with some objects in there. ID, name, deleted. So if you were to like start automating this into something like Logic Apps and tying into other systems like Power BI, be very straightforward to be able to parse all this information. There's not a ton of unique fields, which is genius. This is a very good structure. I really like it, and I can't say enough about that.